everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a P Louise budget box for you. I'm not even central on this camera. Let me just sort that out. Wait, I am central. It's just because when I'm holding the box. Okay, right, never mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a P Louise budget box unboxing for you. I ordered this in October and it arrived in November. I'm not sure which budget box that is. I get very confused by the ordering system with that. I'm assuming this one is the November box because next month's is very Christmassy and that will be arriving in December, so I don't really know how it works, but I have a budget box here and I'm very excited to open it. If you don't know what P Louise budget boxes are, they are a monthly subscription service. They are beauty and makeup and you can have it as a rolling £30 per month subscription, or you can do it as a one-off. I personally just look to see what's in the budget box and then purchase the ones I like, because there's no point in buying something that you don't want, and I am going to unbox it for you. I love P Louise makeup. I wear their makeup daily. My favourites are the lip oil and lip conditioner. I've got the scents Candy Floss. I've had these rolling around in my handbag for months now. The writing's completely gone off this one, but it's Candy Floss scented and I'm actually wearing this one today. That's the lip conditioner in Candy Floss. Really like that they have a keyring on as well, it's adorable. Big fan of the makeup. And then I also wear the Donuts highlighter palette daily. I've got that on now. It's blinding. I love the colour of it. This is what it looks like. I actually picked this up from the actual academy physically when I went to visit. Really love the pink highlighters. They're absolutely stunning. Highly rate the P Louise makeup. I've had a couple of budget boxes before and I've loved them. I do have a rough idea what's in this one and I'm very excited. Let's open it together. I love that the packaging is all pink as well. That's obviously my thing. That's quite tough. There we go. I remember there's a palette in here. There were two ones. I think there was a cool toned one and then a rainbowy one. I didn't have a preference, so I'm just excited to see what we get. Very well packaged, I have to say. I'm excited. So there's a few new things from P Louise here. This is the palette. I can't see which one it is yet. We did actually get a bad botch energy, we're gonna call it. I've got the thing that I wanted. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna save that. I'm actually so excited by this. This looks incredible. I know you can't see much right now, but I know exactly what I've got here. So I'm gonna take one thing after a time and show you, and I'm just so excited. I'm a literal big kid. The first thing we've got in this month's budget box is the Bad Botch Energy in Mon Cherry. Black Cherry. Mon Cherry on one side, Black Cherry on the other one. I love these sets so much. That is what these are. So I've essentially got another set of the lip oil and the lip conditioner in a different scent. And this is called Black Cherry. Again, how cute is the packaging? I can't cope with that. Love this. Let's open it. I mean, these things are like £22 on their own, are they? Something like that. I actually love the packaging of this. I think P Louise packaging is very innovative. It's cute. And I'm excited to see what the scent is. So this is what the little juice box looks like. And then inside you have a lip conditioner and a lip oil. Oh, I'm so excited by this. I think this is very autumnal actually, the Black Cherry scent. And this is what the lip oil looks like. It says Stay Shining on it. Love the packaging. And then we'll just open this. It says Mon Cherry on the top. And that is the lip oil. Oh, it's purple. That's interesting. My Candy Floss one is pink. I didn't realise they were different colours. That's cool. I love the hearts on the lid and then the little heart there. Mine actually snapped off on my previous one, but it's been rolling around in my handbag for months, so I don't blame it. That's what the lip oil looks like. Let's open it. I actually love cherry scent, so I'm excited about this. Oh, it is proper purple. That is so cherry. I'm very excited by that. Let's put it on. It reminds me of, I want to say purple fruit pastels. That's what it's given me. I feel like there is a bit of a purple tint there as well. Am I imagining that? I think there is. I really love the scent of that. The thing about these lip oils, you have got a really nice scent. There's loads of scents to choose from P Louise. And the fact we've got to try this in a budget box, I think that's amazing. And you really can smell the scents throughout the day, which I really like. That's the little Black Cherry lip oil. Very happy with that. And then we've got the Black Cherry lip conditioner. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, you get two products with the same scent in the Bad Botch Energy kit. I really like that. It always seems a shame to throw this cardboard away because it's so well thought out. Love that. Love the little cherries on the top, very cute. And love that it's got a key ring. It's very useful. You can pop it on your keys or your bag. Really like the look of that. And then the lip conditioners are my favourite out of the duo because they're just so long lasting. I will squeeze it a little bit. You can see it's a kind of yellowy, sort of creamy kind of colour. Vanilla ice cream is probably what I'd describe the colour as, and it lasts all day. It's amazing. Love the scent of that. Really like that. So happy with this. I knew I was getting this in here, and I have to say I think that's such good value for money. I am so excited about this. That was the first thing, and the next thing we've got in the budget box is some eyelashes. Some eyelashes. I don't personally wear eyelashes, but I can see how somebody would really love these. For starters, look at the packaging. How pretty. I'm not going to open these because I am going to give these to my friend, but look at those lashes. They are very dramatic. It says Mirror Magic on it. I know that a lot of makeup artists do get the budget box, and this would be really good for people like that, or people that just like creating content, because I think these would be great and really good for nights out as well if you want a dramatic look. That's the second thing in the budget box. Like I said, I don't wear lashes, but I can appreciate that these are probably worth quite a lot, and a lot of people would get use out of them. The next thing, I'm so excited. I've got to go into this. I've got to show you. So some of the things in P Louise budget boxes, they are new items, and they give you new things that haven't been released yet. And I wished for this one. So what P Louise have done is they've brought out lanyards and key rings to make kind of a charm situation going on. I got the little key ring, which for starters, so excited about that. There was a lanyard and a keychain, and I got this. Very excited. It's called You Are So Charming Key Lanyard. I'm so gonna put this on my keys. How cute! We're just gonna pretend it says Botch there. Love the gold and the pink. This actually feels really nice. And then I got a charm. They have like mini makeup items. They have a mini one of these as well, which I'd wished for. And there was also a P Louise bag charm, which was so cute. I either wanted the bag or the juice box, and I've got the juice box. I'm so excited. I'm a literal child. This is a tiny Bad Botch Energy juice box. Why is it so heavy? Is there like makeup in this? This is really weighty. I thought it was just a charm. What's in this? I'm so excited. How cute is that? This is literally what I wanted. Why is it so heavy? And it's got the cute little charm on there. I actually love this. I need to open this. Has this got something in it? Has it got anything in it? Maybe it's not. Why is it so heavy? I've just tried opening it. There isn't anything in it, but it's very weighty. It's so cute. I actually love this. I think this is great for any P Louise fan. It's actually adorable. Like I said, it's very heavy, so I feel like this is going to make my keys weigh loads more. It feels like it should have makeup in or something, but it doesn't. It's just really heavy, but I'm very happy with that. It's so cute. And then you can obviously pop the little massive charm. It's huge! You can pop the charm on the key ring, and I just think that's adorable. It is, isn't it? And then you can also pop your lip conditioner on there as well, so you've got a right clunky chunky mess of pink and makeup. I love that. You're not going to lose your keys with that on it, are you? I think that's great. That is adorable. I'm very happy with that, and we haven't even finished the box yet, and I'm ecstatic. So the next thing is the palette. This is absolutely massive. This is the palette. I cannot remember what this is. It says Black Friday, What If You Fly. We'll open it together. The one with the rainbow had a hot air balloon on it, did it? Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, the packaging, honestly. It says palette for eye and face. That's adorable. How is that so cute? This is what the packaging looks like. I hope you can see it. Yeah. It's got rainbow in the background, and it's kind of like a 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional, is that a thing? Packaging. How cool is that? Love that. And it's so heavy. Everything's so heavy in this box. It says, be a dreamer, babe, take that risk. I love the P Louise palettes as well. It was around this time last year that I actually got my first one, which was the Halloween one. How cool! It looks like a little storybook. I'm a big fan of nostalgia, and for me this looks like a Disney book. It just does. How cute! It's got pink and gold on it, which I absolutely love from P Louise. Love this. And look how many pages there are. I have seen the spoilers for this, but I cannot remember what was in it. And then we'll open it together. Oh, it's quite complicated. Have I opened it? Why is there a battery? Why is there a battery? Does this do something? I think it does something. So some of the P Louise products actually have lights with them, and this has a battery. Is this going to start singing? It opens like a storybook. It's so cute. This is the first page. This is what the first page looks like. I really like the shades of that. It's very fiery. I like it. And it has got a beautiful full-length mirror as well for the size of the palette, which is really nice. I'm just going to do a close-up of the pans like that so you can see properly. Love the shimmers from P Louise. This one has kind of a autumnal theme to it. I like how it's got a little carousel in the pan. That's cute. I really do love the details for P Louise makeup. And then we have more colours. This one's going to be easier to show because it's not got a mirror. And then that's what the green and blue side looks like. Love this colour up here. How pretty is that? And that's what the pans look like up close. Really like that colour. Beautiful. This is the prettiest one. Okay, you've got a kind of motivational page there where you can write 5 goals that you want to achieve, and then on the other side you've got my colour story. This is everything. Love these colours up here. I think they're beautiful. This is exactly what I would have in a palette. This side here is just everything. So pretty. Love the pinks and the purples. I think P Louise does colour stories very well, and I think there's something for everybody in this palette, so I'm very happy with this. How cute is the design of it? I just love the sort of pastel aesthetic to it. Oh my goodness. These are the most princessy shades ever. They're giving me Tangled vibes. So beautiful. I will of course do a makeup look with this palette, so if you want to see that then please subscribe. And the mattes with P Louise are amazing as well. And bear in mind all of this box was £30. I'm so happy with it. What is that? That is incredible. These are actually beautiful. I don't know how P Louise does it for the budget. I really don't. So pretty. And this is what the first page shimmers look like. How beautiful. They are really amazing. I need to find out, why do you light up? Do you light up? I don't understand. I think I need to Google this. Why have you got a battery? If anyone's watching this, I've just spent ages trying to work out why it's got a battery thing on there. I can't work it out. I can't find it on the P Louise website. I can't find anything. I don't know why there's a battery slot there. I'm assuming there's lights. It looks kind of like there should be lights in there. If you look down here, you can kind of see some connectors. Please help. I would love to know if this lights up. I've been poking this, but nothing's happening. I don't know how to get it to work. If it even does work, I don't know. So if you've got any idea of that, please let me know. And overall, I think this palette's amazing. It's so cute. I love the aesthetic of it. I love that it says, "What if I fall?" Because one of my favourite quotes ever is, "What if I fall, but darling, what if you fly?" Love that. So this is really cute. Wish it lit up or something. I don't know what I'm doing. And then love this as well. I love the fact it's got a mirror in it. I think that's amazing. And then this page as well. Really like the colours of this one. And then of course my favourite page is the one on the back. How cute. And I love the pigment of P Louise palettes. I think they're great. So yeah, really happy with this palette. And the whole budget box. That was incredible. Just to recap what I got in this month's budget box, I'm so excited by this. I think everything's great. The first thing I got was the Bad Botch Energy in Dark Cherry. I really like this. Excited to use it, and the scent is amazing. And that's what these two look like. They're perfect for your handbag, and I love the fact that they do so many scents, so you can change it up, and I really like the formulas. Next I got some eyelashes, which I personally won't be using, but I can see how loads of people would really enjoy these. I will be passing these to my friend, but yeah, I think lots of people would get a lot of use out of this. And then we got a couple of new releases from P Louise. So we got the keychain, which I'm really happy about. I actually love that. I love gold and pink. And then I also got the Bad Botch Energy Juice Charm, which is one of the ones that I wanted, so I'm very happy. It reminds me of Polly Pocket. I actually love these. Even though it's not makeup, I'm very happy. And then we've got the What If I Fly palette. You could get one of a couple of options with this. I'm really happy with this. And yeah, I'd highly recommend the P Louise budget box if you like makeup. They do adorable things, and to be honest, I think their makeup is such high quality for the price, and it's a lot of fun. That was everything in the P Louise budget box for November, October. Still haven't worked that out. I am very happy with this. If you like makeup and beauty videos, I do upload regularly, so it'd mean a lot to have you as a subscriber. And let me know in the comments, what was your favourite thing from this month's budget box? I'd love to know. I have ordered next month's as well, so the Christmas one. I did get that last year and I adored it so much, and I'm very excited to see what they give us. And yeah, I think it's such good value. If you want to see me testing these products as well, I will be uploading that very soon. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at ZoeyGlitter, Zoey with a Y. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!